In the bustling town of Riverton, nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river, lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was known for her curiosity and adventurous spirit. She loved exploring the woods, climbing trees, and playing in the fields with her friends. However, there was one habit Lily had yet to master: washing her hands regularly. One sunny afternoon, Lily and her friends decided to explore a hidden grove they had heard about from the older kids in town. They packed a picnic, grabbed their adventure gear, and set off on their journey. The grove was more enchanting than they had imagined, with towering trees, vibrant flowers, and a babbling brook that seemed to sing as it flowed. As they played and explored, Lily found a peculiar old book buried beneath a pile of leaves. The cover was adorned with intricate designs and strange symbols. Excited, she opened the book and discovered it was a diary of sorts, filled with stories of magical creatures and ancient secrets. Unbeknownst to Lily, the book was enchanted, and her hands, still covered in dirt from their adventures, triggered a spell. A soft, glowing light enveloped her, and she found herself face to face with a tiny, shimmering fairy named Sparkle. "Hello, Lily," Sparkle said in a tinkling voice. "I am the guardian of clean hands. This book you found holds great power, but it can only be used by those with clean hands and pure intentions." Lily was taken aback. "Clean hands?" she echoed. "Yes," Sparkle replied. "Clean hands symbolize respect and care for oneself and others. They also ensure that the magic within the book is used responsibly." Realizing the importance of the fairy's words, Lily felt a pang of regret for her careless habit. Determined to make things right, she asked Sparkle how she could earn the right to use the book's magic. Sparkle smiled warmly. "It's simple, Lily. You must promise to keep your hands clean and encourage others to do the same. Show me your dedication by performing 3 acts of kindness that involve clean hands." Lily accepted the challenge with enthusiasm. Her first act of kindness was helping her little brother, Tommy, wash his hands before dinner. She taught him the importance of cleanliness and made it fun by singing a hand-washing song. The next day, she volunteered at the local animal shelter, where she carefully washed her hands before and after handling the animals. The staff were grateful, and the animals responded well to her gentle touch. For her final act, Lily organized a hand-washing workshop at school. She demonstrated proper techniques and explained the importance of hygiene to her classmates. They all enjoyed the interactive session, and soon the whole school was buzzing about the benefits of clean hands. Impressed by Lily's efforts, Sparkle reappeared. "You have proven yourself, Lily. The magic of the book is now yours to explore. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Keep your hands clean and your heart pure." From that day on, Lily was not only known for her adventurous spirit but also for her commitment to cleanliness and kindness. She used the book's magic to bring joy and wonder to Riverton, always remembering the lessons Sparkle had taught her, to keep her hands and her intentions clean. And so, the town of Riverton thrived, with Lily leading by example, proving that even the smallest actions, like washing hands, can lead to the greatest adventures.